Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about sustainability and want to turn that passion into profit, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide to starting an eco-friendly product business in 2025. Even if you're starting from scratch, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more green business tips. First, let's talk niche. The eco-friendly market is huge, so narrow down your focus. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving sustainably? Some hot ideas include reusable home products, zero-waste personal care, sustainable fashion, plant-based packaging. Pick a niche you're passionate about and where you can offer unique value. Next up, research the market. Use tools like Google Trends, Pinterest, or TikTok to see what's trending in eco products. Look at competitors. What are they doing right? What can you do better? In 2025, customers care about transparency, carbon footprint, and ethical sourcing. Build your brand around these values. Now let's talk product creation. Whether you're making reusable bamboo cutlery or eco skincare, ensure your materials are sustainable, biodegradable, or recyclable. Look for ethical suppliers on platforms like Alibaba with sustainability filters, or connect with local eco-friendly manufacturers. Ask for certifications like FSC, GOTS, or cruelty-free. These build trust and credibility. Eco businesses need to walk the talk, even in branding. Choose earth tone colors, minimalist design, and eco-conscious packaging. Avoid plastic. Try seed paper, craft packaging, or glass containers. Use a strong brand story. Tell your audience why you're doing this and how your product helps the planet. It's launch time, but you need visibility. Leverage social media, especially Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Show behind-the-scenes production, packaging, and customer testimonials. Set up a store on Shopify or Etsy, or list on eco-marketplaces like Earth Hero or EcoCart. Collaborate with eco-influencers and use hashtags like #SustainableLiving or #EcoStartup2025. And there you have it, a complete startup guide to building your eco-friendly product business in 2025. Start small, but think big. Even selling one impactful product can grow into a powerful green brand. Drop your niche idea in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more startup guides and sustainability tips.